Hello there. Do you want to do photo editing and photo manipulation without any skill? Then this video is for you. These are example of our result obtained by applying our Photoshop action, timeless and classic wedding photography action. This is authentic and original effect, quality and original name in separate base and separate folder. See, the folder is separate and every layer are editable. See the quality after and before. In one play you can many variation and combination easily. Okay, in this video I will show you how to easily load our photo effect Photoshop action and apply it to any image. You will also this is the original photo. Also see that every layer rename full editable. I will give you a complete idea of how you can customize each layer according to your need. Okay, now start. And also I will show you where you can download this product. Okay, no AI, everything is editable, any size image work perfectly. Let's try. Go my download file, this is the download folder, and that is the help file. You can read the help file. This is short version and this is the long version, details version. Okay, and if already you have watched this video, so it's perfect. This is the cover and this is our script. You can select and double click and it's load your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. How can load manually? Go window, we are start working. Okay, go window and click the action. Maybe action plate show the right side, I have set it left side. For better understanding showing purpose, the layer and action panel both are different area. So now I have clicked the more option, the action panel more option, and load action button click. Now find out my folder wedding photography and download file folder. Check out this, select and load button click. Now is loaded. See, this is the up and down option, is the folder and this is the script. Now we open any type of photography. You can choose your photography. So this time I have used like this one. Okay, open the photography in Photoshop and make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography not like a lock background layer or JPG format. Okay, so that's why action not support. So how if your photography layer 0 format or transparent PNG, you need to follow this step. Must be right button click your layer panel option and fit in option. Now is set a lock background layer. Just check your photography is a lock background layer as it is same. Make sure your photography is RGB color mode. If not, then go image mode and RGB color mode, just click there. Now done, and select all in on play action play me. Select this one and hit the play button and do not click any other area. It's start working. Depend result finish 1 minute or 30 seconds, depend your PC configuration or image resolution size. Okay, now it's start working and all layers are separate. If you still have any confuse after watching this video, and if you have purchased our product, you can join our live support. We will help you understand the whole process directly through AnyDesk or Google Meet. Okay, and you can join our live chat support, WhatsApp, and everything is include my video description. You can check the video description Okay, action complete, then automatic process is finished. You can now customize. Okay, so this is the finishing result and our information, WhatsApp number, our email. Okay, and this is the layer. See, if not the layer panel find out, you can go window and the layer panel click. Okay, now is out and click is on. So layer panel is show and our effect is show there, total 11 combination. Now default on is show, and I have see this is the our old and new one. So of this one and old and our new option, the timeless node, our main number one effect node is black and white combination, is not regular black and white, is node style effect. And I have hide this one and Harlem sepia effect. See, the Harlem looking is too good, is fill your photo in the memorable like time past previous time photography. Cool meta look, this is the cool meta look. Also you can custom, I custom option I will show you, just watch first. This is the silver screen. See, exclusive silver option. See, the color tone is so good and perfect for wedding. We call it for timeless and classic wedding photography action, but you can use any type of photography, but a special combination it fix the wedding photography. Okay, you can use any type of landscape or any other memorable photo, apply this, is work perfect and good combination. And ivory silk, this is the ivory silk style. And another one, this is the midnight ink, this very cool and advanced setting, and our hidden formula, our hidden resource. See, another one, this is the feel we like to classic film stop, like a filmy. See, is very nice and very high quality. Okay, we hidden and Frailer infusion. Infusion is like a dreamy some flavor, but not dreamy flavor, not dreamy, and color adjustment, a real combination, and some the pink light, soft pink light style. See the awesome quality. And our last one, the charcoal sketching, black and white, like little flavor, not hardly. We focus on our realistic photography main. Okay, now we customization show. I have all layer unchecked. This is the original photo and this is the our effect photo. See, now we can custom, see, check out the position, and there is the option color position and the option, and click, you can brightness and brightness down. If you want, you can adjust the brightness. We have the option, you can do it yourself if you need, and pick out and another one. And I think the black and white is perfect now, but if you think to faded and more darkness, see, and then more darkness looking. Okay, and another one, see, the combination is too long. So this is the adjust panel, and this is the color option. You can convert the color in reddish tone very easily. Okay, and pastel cyan color. So it's easy to edit color and combine the change very easily, but my default setting is perfect. You can just adjust your photography color using this adjustment. Okay, or if you think that change the color DNA, then you can use the option, the color balance. Okay, now I hide this, and every layer is same type, okay, same type is very neat and clean and very sharp. You can use this one, see, okay, I think is too much good now. Okay, so now I have apply another photography that is not the wedding photography. So how it look, we just watch it, like this one, and hit the play button. So working, the finishing result is show a stop message, okay, and this is the looking, see, after and before. It's great color tone. Okay, now use another one. This time I have less the image size because my time saving purpose. Okay, you can use any high resolution image. See, the result is finished and is too nice. Look, it's fixed everything, and our timeless node, heirloom, spa, cool matte look, silver look is the too good, purple illusion, and ivory silk is a great effect. Look, midnight ink, classic frame. Thanks for watch this video and purchase our product. And still, if you need any kind of help, you can join our Facebook fan page, our WhatsApp number for replay first, and also you can email us and subscribe our channel MRI Kokon. Visit our this is our one site www.photoshopaction.net. You can download there the free file, see the free file, or check out the free file section, free item, new release, and flash sale option, our supporting option, everything is there, and hire me very easily. Photoshop Action, see, and now discount is available, flash sale and bundle option, free file. Also you can download our creative market shop. You can like our creative market shop MRI Studio. Every link include the video description. You can check the video description. Thanks for watching this video.